Yeah.
Road trip.
Did I do everything? You have to make little ears.
I think this hat was my best investment this year. Updating the vlog to let everyone know, because you know people are that we saw a crowned night heron.
Hannah and I found a pelican who reached the end of its life cycle, and she's a brave soul, trespassed through the barbed wire, and now she's gonna go explore it for science. All in the name of science. Yeah, we like don't know why it died. Like it wasn't really eaten by anything, so it wasn't like a coyote or anything, but
Yeah,
really.
like it had like dark on it, but I don't know if that's due to or just that's how it is.
Damn.
I'll show you the footage.
Time will
Maybe I'll
tell.
add the footage to the vlog.
Yeah.
What's that? What? Crow? Or seagull? Probably. It looks huge.
Maybe it's not.
What are you? I think that's a bob.
Bop, 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 bop.
No, it's not. Is it?
Are you sure?
I have no idea. Slight intuition. To continue, we have decided against going to Egg Lake because there's a storm rolling in. There's a storm. So we're gonna go to a pond by my parents' house, slowly make our way back to downtown. That way, if we get hailed on, we're kind of close to home.
Yeah. Are we gonna die? The helmet that Hannah desires, but it's too small. Her brains are too big.
I'm just too smart. It's huge. Put her in reverse too.
Let's get a close-up shot of the locked and loaded baby.
How does it look?
Let me get one. Is it too tight? Wait.
Feels pretty comfy.
Oh.
What was that?
James.
How does it look?
The like cardboard piece makes it look like a flat brimmed hat.
I don't think this is the one.
What if I just fell?
We are at Hermitage Park.
Hello babies. Hello babies. Baby doggies. Baby dog.
We were looking at what is it called? Something cormorant? Isn't it like not greater cormorant?
Isn't it just called cormorant?
No, I think it's something cormorant because there's more than one kind. I do believe. Checking eBird, double crested. Nice. So we are looking at. We are looking at.
Your mom.
It is raining. Allie's back there. We're really just enjoying this moment. this update is. Can you hear that? Us too. Big update.
We're back at Hermitage Park 1.1. 1.0.
And big news.
Dun dun dun.
Big news, big bird. Can you guess? We'll give you 3 seconds to guess.
Dun, 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 dun.
Time's up.
Oh,
We saw, drum roll please, a bald eagle. This post. We're getting closer.
oh my god, that's cuckoo.
Cuckoo.
Whoa. It's like,
For reference, this is where we are right now. We saw a bald eagle.
shot on iPhone.
Shot on iPhone. Life is a treat. Okay, so this is a pelican. I didn't realize they flew so high up. Maybe it's not a... But where'd it go? Anyway, we are debating if it's dangerous to be down here during thunder and lightning, but on the other hand, we want to be here if and when the pelican lands, which is now right there. Believe it or not, that's a pelican. How crazy.
Get all those motherfucking pelicans, motherfucking pelicans, motherfucking pelicans, motherfucking pelicans.
Whoa.
They're so majestic.
They're landing here. Oh my god.
This is the best day of my life.
Look at this one. Oh, he just pooed. He pooed.
He's like, quick,
gotta go,
quick
you gotta
dump.
go. I wonder if they'll sleep here tonight. We are waiting till the perfect lighting to take photos of these pelicans. They're so beautiful. Whoa, look how pretty.
It's freaking gorgeous. The water's so still now, too. Speaking of reptiles, go in.
Whoa. They scared him. Hello vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Day 1 of Bird Week.
Complete.
Magnifique.
Magnifique
It
indeed.
was a beautiful day. How about we each share a highlight?
Okay.
I think we kind of have the same highlight.
Yeah.
But one highlight that you would have, but maybe you wouldn't think of saying,
Okay.
is that we saw the night. What is it called?
Yeah, the black crown night
Black
heron
crowned night heron.
or green crown night. I forget.
Black.
Black.
That was cool.
Yeah, that was really cool. That was actually one of my highlights.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then obviously the pelicans.
Yeah.
We saw so many birds today that we have never seen before.
Yeah.
So
Truly, yeah. We saw so many.
a lot of new things.
Even like the catbird.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was insane.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's raining again. This
Yeah, I
is perfect
just
timing.
got a water droplet right in between my fingers.
Perfect timing. But it's time to rest.
Time for Betty bye.
Tomorrow is, we actually don't know yet.
Yeah. We'll plan it out.
Yeah.
But
Anyway, thank you for watching.
thank you.
Bye.